Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone, welcome to my video where I'll be talk tell you about one of my project that is watering plants, and I will tell you about how to create an automatic plant watering system. In this video, we'll cover the benefit, components, and how to wire the system to ensure it waters your plant efficiently and keep them healthy. Okay, so now first I will tell you about this project. Watering plant is an automatic plant watering system. Is incredibly useful, especially for those who have many plants or have a busy schedule and cannot water them every day. This system will plant, automatically water your plants based on the moisture level of the soil. You won't have to worry about forgetting to water them or over-watering. So, what are the benefits of this system? The first benefit is save your time. With this system, you don't need to water your plants every day. Just program the system and plants will be watered automatically. This is a real time saver, especially for people with many plants or tight schedule. Okay, so the second benefit is efficient water usage. When watering manually, we often overestimate or underestimate how much water the plants need. This system only waters the plants when the soil is actually dry, which helps conserve water. The third is healthier plants. Your plants will get the right amount of water at the right time, preventing issues like overwatering that can harm the roots or underwatering that can cause dehydration. Okay, so now let's take a look at the essential components needed to build this system. For this system, we use like 5 or 6 components, and the first, of course, with soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture is a sensor that will be placed in soil to measure its moisture level. It's crucial for detecting whether the soil is dry or wet. Based on this reading, the system decides whether the plants need water or not. The second is water pump. The water pump will draw water from a reservoir and deliver it to the plant. The pump will only turn on when the moisture sensor detects dry soil. Choose a pump that is powerful enough to supply water to all of your plants. Okay, so the third component is microcontroller, or in this project, I use microbit for the microcontroller. Okay, so the microcontroller or the microbit is the brain of the system. It will read the data from the moisture sensor and control when the pump should turn on or off. You can program the microcontroller to customize watering times and intervals based on your plant's needs. Okay, so the fourth component is relay. The relay acts as a switch between the microcontroller and the water pump. When the soil is dry, the microcontroller sends a signal to the relay to turn on the pump. And the fifth component is uh, the expansion, and the sixth is Jack DC for the power that will you use to turn on this system. Okay, so now let's talk about wiring the system or the components. Okay, so the first you can connect your soil moisture. You will need two cable for the soil moisture like this one, and you can put it on the soil moisture and use to wire it to the to these components. And in this project, we will use uh, analog output. So in behind there is AO, DO, GND, and VCC. And in this system, we will only use VCC, GND, and AO. AO that means is analog system, analog output. Sorry. And this one is the expansion, and you can wire it the soil, the soil sensor to the expansion board. You can put this soil on the fourth pin. Okay, so at the end will be like this. Okay, so now let's talk about the relay. So this relay there is PCC, GND, and in. In that is input, that main is the data. Okay, so oh yeah, sorry. In the expansion, there is the yellow one, red one, and black one. So for the black one, that is GND, or we can say ground, and PCC for the power, and the last one, the yellow one, is for data. Okay, before I already told you about the pin on the relay, so you can just wire it to the expansion board, like in to the yellow one. You can put it on the zero pin, wire it to the zero pin, and PCC to PCC, GND to GND. Wait, okay, so there will be like this. Okay, so now let's go to the next component, that is pump and check DC. So now uh, in the back there is pump and wait. Just let's see on the Google. Wait, wait. Okay, so now let's just search about a pin out. Okay, so now there's a common contact, normally closed and normally open. So in this project, we will use the common contact and the normally closed. Sorry. Okay. So now about the cable. Wait, about the cable. So for the relay, you need two cable, and first you can open it first and put your cable on the inside and close it. So the first is normally closed. For the normally closed, you can wire it to the jack DC, the plus one. Wait, the plus one, like this. And for the common contact, you can wire it to the plus on the pump, like this. You can solder it or just wire it, yeah, based on you. And so now for the last cable, it is the minus one on the jack DC. You can wire it to the minus pump, like this one. It, like this. Okay. So for the wire, only that. And let's talk about the code. Wait. Okay. So wait. This is my code. The first is on start, and instead of the on start, there is set soil. First, you can go to variable and make a new variable, and the name is soil. And you can put the set soil to the on start, and then you can go to advanced, go to pins, and there is analog red pin like this one. Okay, so now we can go to serial and say what value x is 0. Okay, so you can put it, and for the x you can change to be soil, and the last is you can put the soil variable on this one. Okay, so in the variable same like the on start, you can just duplicate it. Okay, so now you can add, you can go to the logic and add if else. So can add more than and put the variable on the first, and the second one is you can change it to be 800, and you can go to the pins, go uh, uh, take the digital white pin and put it in here and change from 0 to be 1, and from and in the else the digital white pin is 0, and same just duplicate and go to input, take on button up press and put digital white pin press 0 to 1 on the on button A, and switch it to button B, duplicate your code and switch it to button B and change it to be 0. Okay, so the system This product will water your plants if the soil detect the humidity is more than 800, and if already under 800, the pump will be off. Okay, so maybe just that from my project watering plan. Thank you so much for listening uh my video. Thank Sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.